Episode 3 of One in the Chamber with Electrocraft, and yeah.
What up, guys? This is Electrocraft on Blocks and Crafts, playing some One in the Chamber with my friend GamerXC2.
Woo! 2 kills.
Go to this channel, it's really cool, and yeah.
2 kills.
And I'm about to die. Yeah! Ow!
Oh, I have 2 kills already. I'm gonna make a rock.
Nice. Yeah, snipe! Woo! Oh, come on. The 2 guys I was about to shoot just died right as I shot at them. Boyardee!
I just
Chef Boyardee! I am killer.
Oh, I love your professional intro. Woo!
What?
Your intro is awesome.
Woo! Ah, shoot. I'm getting shot at. Oh, yes, lag. Lag. I love lag. I really like lag. I really like lag.
Hey, that's me.
Lag. Oh, shoot. That's you. Sorry.
No,
I did not realize that.
No, we're not
God,
teamed.
get away from me! Eesh. Okay.
Oh, I thought
I'm off to a rough start. Actually, I'm not. I'm in the middle, actually. Boom. Yeah. Snipe. Like a boost.
Ow.
Boom.
Ow.
Oh, another snipe. 2 kills in a row. Boom. Oh, I missed.
Yeah, I keep
Oh,
missing.
Gimme. Yes, I got another one.
I'm not doing so good.
I got another one. Oh my god. I'm at the top.
Wow, you are. Good job. You sound like a really sick chicken.
Oh, lag. I love super lag. Woohoo, dang it. This guy's
Mad lag.
Second place is pretty good.
Yeah, you are.
Nice. Give me money. Give me all of your money. Ow. That hurt. So how are you doing today, Mr. Regan?
Good.
Nice. I heard that you recently got almost 300 views on your channel.
Almost. Yeah.
For someone with like 3 videos, that's pretty good. Oh god,
Yeah.
that was a noob mistake on my part, but you're about to die! Ow. I love when I say, like, yes, I'm gonna kill this guy like a boss, and then, like, I get shot.
Oh, I'm doing good. Wow.
I was in first place, and now I'm in I'm like in the bottom middle part of
Yeah, you are.
the game.
Ow!
But I was like in first place.
You were. That was good.
I'm here. I'm about to kill X money X because, yeah, I'm on.
Swag, yeah? No.
Oh, jeez. Dude, the guy I just killed literally spawned on top of me and then killed me.
Yeah, I just had that happen, but only I killed him.
Oh, ow. Jeez.
Oh!
Yes.
Oh!
God, that's horrible.
Ah.
Oh,
I was doing so good.
horrible PvP.
Oh, this guy just killed.
Oh,
Yeah,
I'm
I'm
watching you. I will avenge you. Oh, wait.
Oh, wow.
That was weird.
Huh?
Yes. Oh, wait, did I just get someone? No, I didn't. That wasn't me. Oh, sorry. Wrong person. Yes, I got someone. Boom. And I died.
Well, you see, I was a superhero. Long story short, I died. I got him.
Oh, wrong person.
Help.
Wrong person. Get this guy. Get him. He's a
Oh,
bad
wow.
man.
How am
He's
I...
a bad man. Boom. Ow. That was pretty horrible. Oh, dang it. That was... Jeez, how did I miss that? Hey, boy, Chef Boyardee. Give me your monkey. Give me your monkey butt. Hey. Yes, I
Ow.
got someone.
You got me. Wait, no, you didn't get me.
Yes. No, it wasn't you. Dang it. Yes. I think. No, I died. Yeah, I'm coming back up a little bit.
Yeah, you are. I'm going down a little bit, too.
Get away away from me, whoever you are.
Oh, I didn't even end up killing you.
Oh, I might just overtake you. I might just come back and. Oh, whoops. I'll get him. Get him. Oh, chocolate.
I was at half the heart too.
Oh, are you lagging? It looked like you were lagging.
A little bit. Crap! No, damn it! I didn't even move.
2 in a row. Nice.
That was nice. That was nice.
That was beautiful. That was a beautiful day. Like a Kanye West song. Now this will be a beautiful day. Ow. Oh, that was stupid. Jeez. Oh, I just ran up to a guy that I knew had a bow. And I knew had an arrow. And then I ran up to him and then I died. Oh boy.
Sweep up 2 kills.
Whoever you are. Billy XD. Ow. Run away. Run away. There's killings about.
Wow, you're doing better than me.
Oh, killings about. Ow. I cannot jump.
Oh.
Ow. The same thing on the same guy. That is ridiculous.
Ooh, if I would have gotten one more kill. Alright, yeah, that was the weirdest thing in the world. Yeah, I'll see you guys later, and, yeah, we were gonna play another one after this, so bye.